Good day everybody. Here I've got a Navman MiVUE 730 dash camera. So this is the box. So it has a very small screen, 2-inch. It has a GPS tracking built in. So it can track your position wherever you go. So GPS receiver automatically records your driving information, including location, direction, and speed. So this camera can rotate, and this mounting allows easy 360-degree adjustment to the angle you want to record. Okay. Full high definition. You can also capture photo, event recording, optimized day-night recording, 3-axis G center, and easy memory management tool. Okay, so let's unpack this thing. So this is the actual dash cam, very small. Side, rear view, bottom, buttons on the side. Charger for the car. Cable hooks, this is the mounting fixture, clips in that. Okay. Use a manual. Okay, so the screen can move up, down, sideways, and also can rotate 360 degrees like that.